In this video, I will show you how to redeem code in StumbleGuys in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see in StumbleGuys. So I'm currently logged in. If we come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the settings icon, I've had to look in here, but I can't actually see the option to redeem a code. So to do this, if we actually come back to our home screen, and what you're going to need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, and where you've got your currency and gems, if you actually click onto the plus button next to either of these, what that's going to do is take you into the shop. Now in the shop section, as you can see on the right hand side, it says support a creator. So what you can do is enter a code to support a content creator when you make an in-app purchase. So in here, you can see there's a button here to enter code. So if we actually click onto this way you can come to enter a creator code. And that is basically how to go ahead and redeem a code in StumbleGuys in 2024. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.